I'm always looking for ways to simplify things at home, and so I purchased this meal organizer notepad. There's so many great features I really like about it. So, first off, you have meals on one side with all the days of the week here, as you can see, and then you have a grocery list. So, it makes it really easy to decide what do I want Monday, and then put down here what do I still need to get from the grocery store. And you can do that for every day of the week. One other cool feature I like is that it's magnetic, so you can put it wherever you want. I like to put mine on my refrigerator, and then it's right visible in the kitchen for everyone to be able to see. Another cool feature is that what you can do, pretty awesome here, is that you can actually tear this grocery list off. So once you're done planning the meals, what you can go ahead and do is take the grocery list with you to the grocery store, and then you have this other side for meals. So whether you want to hang this up somewhere or hang the whole thing, either way, I really like this meal planning magnetic notepad here. There's a ton of different papers here, so this is going to last quite a few years, I would say, with one for each week. So overall, I'm loving it. It's been keeping me nice and organized, and I would highly recommend it if you're looking for a similar solution.